Welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. How are you guys doing? Hope each and every one of you are doing so great. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is banana puff puff and what you need to know. Puff puff, as it is called in Nigeria, is a traditional African snack made of fried dough. It is so simple and easy to make, and it is always delicious when you make it with the right recipes. Can you see the yummy stuff on my table? It is the beautiful result of my version of banana puff puff. Please, if you want to know how I came up with these lovely results on my table, keep watching. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome, and thank you all for your amazing support. Without you, I don't think I can be here. And to you that has not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like our page, share the video, and always drop your comment to encourage us. So without further ado, let's get started. The first recipes we have on our list for the banana puff puff today is our banana, and remember, the banana has been washed before now. The next is our all-purpose flour. You can use any flour of your choice, and we have sieved this flour off camera before now, so remember to always sieve your flour for your cake or your pastries. This is our cane sugar, which a lot of people call brown sugar. You can feel free to use white sugar if you want, but for health's sake I decided to use brown sugar. The next recipe close to it is our salt. This is my dry yeast. You can feel free to use fresh yeast if you so desire. This is my nut milk, and it's totally optional. You can choose any flavor of your choice, okay? This is my warm water that I will be using to mix my flour, okay? When it's come to puff puff, you don't use cold water to mix it. The only recipes I don't have on the table here now is my vegetable oil. When the time comes for that, I will bring it out. If you want to know the measurements of all the recipes I use on this banana puff puff, please hit the description box, okay? Let's start making it. Right now, I will start mixing some of my dry recipes with the flour. The first recipe I will be adding is my nutmeg. I'll mix together. The next one is my dry yeast. I will also mix together. After mixing it thoroughly, I will now make a hole, awaiting the wet recipes. Right now, I want to blend my banana. You can smash it with your fork if you want. This is my cane sugar and salt. I want to blend everything that will give the puff puff a sweet taste together. Right now, let's start blending it. You will blend it until it is smooth, okay? I'll finish blending my banana, and I want to pour the puree inside my flour. After which, I will start mixing it. You can use your hand if you so wish. After that, I will add my warm water, and I will keep adding warm water until I get the right consistency I am looking for. For me, I don't like that running consistency. I like that medium consistency when it comes to puff puff. Right now, I am done. After mixing my dough, the next thing I want to do is to cover it with my ceiling film. After which, I will wrap it very well. After wrapping it, I will also support it with my kitchen napkin and allow it for 1 to 2 hours to rise in a warm place, okay? Right now, after 1 hour, let's check the dough and see how it is doing. One thing about the dough is that you don't have to allow it to over-rise, because if you allow it to over-rise, the puff puff itself will have holes inside after frying it. I hope that makes sense. So let's start frying it, okay? Now I'll start scooping my dough inside my preheated oil. Please make sure you preheat your oil before frying it, okay? And also, if you don't have a scooping spoon, just as I'm using, you can also use your hand, okay? All goes. And please make sure you fry on a medium heat, not a high or low heat, because if you fry on a high heat, the puff puff will cook on the surface but will not cook inside. Why if you fry on a low heat, the puff puff will soak the oil, which is not really what we want. If you fry on a medium heat, it will cook both in and outside. This is how you keep turning it side by side until it is completely cooked, and you will keep doing it like this until it is golden brown. We'll give it like 3 to 4 minutes, and yeah, our puff puff is ready. Right now our banana puff puff is ready. Guys, let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, the banana puff puff is ready. The result you are seeing is all you need to know about banana puff puff. So let's open it and see if the puff puff is really cooked inside or it was only cooked on the surface. Wow, this is really good and lovely. It is cooked inside. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? This is all we have for you on Scale Matters today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.